Hi guys! Mayong hapon! So, here it is guys. So, ito na yung ating mga gamit. We are ready to go to the airport na. It's very exciting. Naluluha ako guys kasi nakaka-touch lang. Anyway, papunta na tayo sa airport kasi hinihintay ko lang si Mr. kasi he went to the shops quickly para may bibilhin. And so, kami ni Jake, ito yung aming ginawa. Dinala na namin dito yung aming mga bags, suitcases. Si Jake, what are you doing? No. Put it down, Jack. Just put it down there. That's too heavy. That is. So, itong dalawa, guys. So, yan yung aking, ayan yung, that's my guest bag. And then, the other one, ayan. Yan yung puro pasalubong sa pamilya sa Pinas. Ito yung aking hand carry. Matchy-matchy yan silang dalawa, guys. Matchy-matchy. Tapos, yan yung hand carry ni Jake. We actually, we're thinking na we just check that in kasi kaming tatlo naman may check-in. Kasi para wala naman importanteng gamit dyan. Nilagyan ko naman siya ng lock. I-check-in namin yung tatlo na lang. Tapos yung hand carry ko, yung backpack ni Mr. Tapos yung aking yung handbag na lang. Come here, Nak. Come say hi. Put it down. Very dangerous. Put it down, Jack. Come on. Can you put it down, please? You're gonna get dirty. Come here. Come here, my big boy. Come on. Say hi.
Hi.
So, ayan. Ready na yung ating mga gamit. Yung aking baby boy, Jake, Charles, put it down. Ayan, we left some rubbish dyan, guys. Yung itatapo na namin yun kasi, madami ng rubbish. So, we left it there kasi next week, ipipick up na yan nila. Ayan, yung ating dadalhin. That's my, guys. Mamimiss namin yung bahay. We'll be away for a few weeks. Hindi ko pa napak yung aking Christmas tree. Tsaka na yan pagkabalik namin. Yung ating handbag, yung shoes ni Mr. hindi pa niya sinuot. Yeah, I've got my glasses kasi we're not allowed to wear contact lenses sa plane. And hindi mawala yung ating jacket, guys, kasi medyo malamig na. So, yeah. We're getting ready na, guys. Mr. will be here any minute. Ayan. Ito yung ating pa-aura. Sure. Yung ating pa-aura, guys. Ano ba to? So, ayan, guys. Ito yung ating pa-aura. Wait lang. I've got my scale dito kasi tinimbang ko yung ating suitcase para hindi tayo mag-over timbang. Ayan. So, ito lang, guys. I'm wearing this. I've actually got my long sleeve na susuot ko sana but medyo mainit pa ngayon. But maybe mamayang gabi or kapag nasa plane na tayo, naging malamig na. So, I've got my shoes. Ayan lang, guys. Naka-jeans tayo with belt. Ayan. Ito lang. Simple lang yung ating pa-aura kasi sa plane lang naman tayo. Yung flight namin will be midnight and we will arrive in Malaysia 5 o'clock in the morning. Tapos flight namin from Malaysia to Philippines is nasa 8 o'clock and then dadating kami sa Pilipinas tomorrow ng 12 noon. So yeah, very exciting, guys. We'll see you sa Pinas.